Prophet Frank Osei, in collaboration with our founders, Mr. and Mrs. Edu Amankwa, presents Annual Harvest and Thanksgiving service in aid of church building.
Yen official affordable. Ne nase som de ma erade. We na so we dan sie dwumadie no mu. Yen host pastor oda yen kokofu asafo no ano. Prophet Frank Osei gina yen founders anem. Ne erade asofo akukudam woka ne ho. De yen official affordable dwumadie nwanwaso kra ebre.
Show boy, let us arise and build. The theme for our annual harvest and Thanksgiving is let us arise and build.
Asentitra eda dwumadie no so. Mama yen sori na yen si.
Supported Bible verse.
Tresama eta dwumadie echi.
Nehemiah chapter 2 verse 18. I told them how the hand of my God has been favorable to me, and also about the king's words which he had spoken to me. Then they said, let us arise and build. So they put their hands to the good work.
Nehemiah ngoma etimienu yimu ayedu nwotwe na meka me kire won me nyankopon sa eye wo meso ne ohene asema oka kire me no na woka se mama yan sorry na yensi na wo hihye won abasemu den ma adwuma pa no. Hallelujah.
Before the actual annual harvest, there is going to be a 3 days powerful revival starting Wednesday 13th December to Friday 15th December 2023 every evening.
Na dwumadie egu afamienu ofa edikan no ye nansan kanyasom kese eye ahomboaboa de ma ye na forebo no ebe hyase wukuada 13th December 2023 de akosi efiada 15th December 2023 anyumre bia.
And Sunday 17th December 2023 is going to be the actual day for the annual harvest and Thanksgiving service in aid of church building on our Kokofu land.
Na kwasiada 17th December 2023 dano ankasa na yen official aforebo no bekoso bra nebe bobi na yen hye yen abasemu den na yen si yen asori dan no.
Officiating ministers
erade asofo adwumadie yisi won matriso
Prophet Frank Osei, the host pastor on our ETB donation and worship grounds, Reverend Yao Mensah, Prophet Samuel Doe, Apostle Joseph Owusu Secretary, guest singers Reverend Mensah Bonsu, Nsankuohene, Mrs. Stephanie Osei, and Minister Divine, fellow end-time believers, Army of Christ Ministry. Let us be there to support the harvest and also give thanks to God for seeing us through the years.
Obia wo dwumadie wanwaso odidi bua erade adwuma maye nasafu yi end-time believers, Army of Christ Ministry kwaso konkan ETB asafoma ebre aso se ye twa ye nani hwa ye nkokofu asafo no esan se eho na yen adoye ye ma nyanka ne ekunafo no kwaso enti ka kire wo yonko se adwuma no brani tiemu denne na ka se adwuma no bre aso enti yanka mom yan sorry na yen si cho boy.
Army of Christ Ministry, soldiers in the Lord, the time to arise is now. Let us all arise and build.
Kasa dwumadie wanwaso yi ho na obeye nhira awieye brem agidifo asrafo wo erade mu anokwa yenyankopon ye oja o hye ade.